remembering all of the time, if we document this in a manual, we can share the manual internally, we can protect it, but everybody knows then what's written down. And so on. How to gather evidence. Remembering we are auditing the health and safety policy by auditing the management system. So objective evidence, this is crucial. Evidence must be verifiable. It can't just be the world according to Andy and Llew. It has to be as objective as you can get it. And we do this through observation, through document review and interview. Objective evidence and how we gather evidence. So those are the three ways: observation, what we see, document review and interview. Remember, observation. When you're watching people, people will regularly change their behavior. I think it's the Hawthorne effect, or something's been written about that in the past anyway. But ultimately, if somebody's looking over your shoulder, you're going to be doing things the way you should be ordinarily. Document review, really important part. When you're looking at documents, what are you looking for? So document review, document revision. We're looking at who has prepared it, who has reviewed it, who has approved it, especially on the bigger documents. On a lot of the smaller documents, you won't see that, but you do need, if it's a health and safety document, then ultimately, if there's a serious incident, that document will come out. You need to have ownership of that document. And if we are going for ISO, certain high-level documents, like the manual, you want to have good amendment record on there as well. Interview, really important. Interview sounds quite formal, but you're discussing with people, and that's what you're doing. You're talking to people. Observation, gathering evidence. Document review, gathering evidence. Interview, gathering evidence. That's what we are doing, is gathering evidence through those three means. Really important as a consultant or anybody who's developing, building, reviewing a policy. You must, or you should, understand these methods. Because what we can also do are horizontal audits and vertical audits. Let's just think about them. There's so many different types. People say process audit, management system audit, IMS audit, first party, second party. There's lots of different things. Now, if you are new to auditing, think about horizontal audit, an audit of one process or one document or one item across multiple areas. Sorry, an audit of one process, document, or item across multiple areas. So horizontal, flat. We are picking one here, but we're going to go for the same in other areas. So if we could be auditing insurance on multiple projects, we could be auditing construction phase plans, multiple projects, or contracts, multiple projects. That's a horizontal audit. Or we could be doing a vertical audit, and that is an audit of all processes, documents, items, or phases across one area. So we pick one project and we sort of go from the quote right through to the payment, the cash, and everything in between. Put it that way, looks better, doesn't it? All the way from the top right through the bottom. I nearly went tick, 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 but you know what I mean. Horizontal audit, vertical audit. Good things to understand. Communication, we've got to verify it. This is really important. Is the policy